Here we're going to graph the hyperbola y plus 1 squared over 25 minus x minus 2 squared over 4 equals 1. The first thing you need to identify for your hyperbola is the center. The coordinates for the center are going to be the opposite of the x and y values in the inside of the parentheses. So the opposite of negative 2, positive 2. Opposite of positive 1, which is negative 1. The next thing we need are the a, b, and c values. The a value is going to be the square root of the denominator underneath the x term. So it's going to be 2. The b value is going to be the square root of the denominator of the y. And then c we have to calculate. From this equation, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. A squared is 25, b squared is 4, so c is going to be the square root of 29. We need to put a few things on our graph first. The first thing that goes down is your center. Your center is going to be at 2, negative 1. And then the next couple points we need are going to come from our a and b values. So if a equals 2, we're going to put 2 points horizontally away from the center. So these were 2 points that are 2 spots away from the center. And then the b value, we're going to count up 5 from the center. And then we're going to draw in a rectangle. The reason why we need this rectangle is this rectangle is going to help us line up our asymptotes. It's also going to help us line up the vertex. So the vertex. Your vertex is going to be either at these 2 points or at these 2 points. And the way we can tell if it's going to be the vertical points or the horizontal points is by whatever term is positive. So if the y term is positive, your vertex is going to be the vertical points. So the coordinates of our vertex is 2, 4, 2, negative 6. We would have chosen the other 2 points, these 2 points, if the x term was positive. But since the y term is positive, we chose the vertical points. The next thing that needs to go on our graph are the focal points, the foci. The foci are going to be a distance of radical 29 from the center. So radical 29 is, I don't know what that value is. It's somewhere between 5 and 6. So I'm going to count up about 5 points, a little bit more than 5, and down a little